Good morning, day traders, and welcome to Market Minute, a hedge fund trader's technical analysis for today's stock market. It's Thursday, March 10th, 2022. Let's get after it. So CPI came out this morning, right? Economists hit it spot on the head. No real surprise numbers there, right? We rose 0.8%, right, versus economist expectations of 0.8%. So no real changes there, right? No increasing inflation. And good little reaction there from this market. Not really a big gap up, right? But we have recovered just a little bit. And we need to be a little bit cautious here still today. So today's narrative, right, we kind of still need to be a little bit bearish, right? Yesterday's price action, a little bit indecisive, right? Relatively low volume. It's done nothing to sort of invalidate the bearish weakness that we've seen to the downside here, right? A relative strength we've seen to the downside. So for me, right, bear case begins under this 420.60 and starts to move towards, say, that, 419.30, right, before eventually touching those 415 lows. If the SPY can give us that volume and that follow through, right, has a little bit of a chance. If it wants to break out over that 430, probably a tough one for us to trade here today. Similar story in QQQ, right? Looking for a breakdown under this 328.60 for a move down towards this 324.60, right? We have a few stops along the way with some resistance, right, way out in the left here from that, say, May 2021. But we're not going to get too attached to that here, right? Maybe a slightly easier spot, right, to get that bullish breakout, but really disappointing volume profile there compared to sort of the last couple days of price action. So pretty hard for us to be bullish until, say, that 328 area, right, gives us that breakout. 351 area gives us that breakout, right, which is kind of here for now. So would like to see this getting validated, would like to see that strength step in, right? But if we're going to get that, we're not going to have a tradable setup in it today. Apple, right? Maybe the strongest volume profile, at least to something like QQQ, right? Where at least Apple, right, outlier volume stronger than average. Okay, so not bad, right? Maybe doing a little bit of something there to invalidate, but this gap down, right, not exactly supporting a super strong bullish momentum, right? So even if it wants to break over that, say, 163.50 area, hard for us to trust that it has the legs here, right? So for now, still kind of bullish. Only if we can get over this 169.70, right? Maybe if we can get a trend line bounce, this could be in play, but not super optimistic. Bearish is still kind of to the downside here under this 156.90, and then things can really start to move if it can break down from there. Right? Tesla's an interesting one. Tuesday, right? Tuesday gave really impressive good volume there, right? Compared to, say, Apple that went red, right? QQQ that went red, SPY that went red, right? Tesla remained green, right? Held up relatively strong. So now kind of in this range, right? A little bit of a low vol pullback, right? Caught its breath, but still made a higher high, still made a higher low, right? Bulls, kind of could look like they're in control here, right? We could make that argument a little bit better than, say, we can on the indexes, right? So maybe we can get a setup here above this 861 towards, say, that 870, right? And then that 900 target. But for now, we still need to be a little bit cautious, right? A little bit skeptical and looking for breakdowns under, say, this 800 towards that 780 area. Microsoft, right? Tough one for us to trade here. Again, kind of in the middle of its range. Needs to break out over this 303, right, which is up here, right, or under the, say, 280 zone. If it can break down under 280, right, we start to have a lot of room down towards that 278.40, but we need to be a little bit cautious here, right? Again, when it opens up or hangs out in the middle of its range, it's tough for us to get that big follow through or to expect that we're going to get that super clean action in either direction. So base assumption here today is we're going to be a little bit choppy. We're going to deal with a little bit of some challenging conditions. Hopefully it's not a super tough day and we can get some action. For those of you who are interested, I'll be live streaming all my trades here today on YouTube. So if you want to join me after this video, I'll be live all day from about 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you guys there. Otherwise, guys, have yourselves a great day and happy hunting. See you all tomorrow for the next Market Minute.